Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have for you the Play by Sephora box, and this is the final one. I got an email a few days ago saying that they were no longer going to do it, but they are offering like sets that you'll be able to choose from so you can pick what you like more. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure on prices. I don't think it's a monthly subscription. In fact, I'm pretty sure that it's not. But this is the last one, so we'll see if it's any good. And when you open it up, it looks like this. And you always get this little card, and it always has a theme with it, which I think is pretty cool. So this month, this theme is Class of 2020. And right here it says, this will be the final play box you will receive. You've learned, experimented, and had all kinds of fun with us. Now it's time to graduate. Play is ending to make room for something even better. We know saying goodbye is bittersweet, but there are more exciting things to come. Never change. So that's cute. And then on the back, it shows you what you got in your box. Oh, so I heard we were getting something extra. I wonder if this is the extra. Some stickers. But that's okay. Those are cute. My daughter will have fun with them. Alright, and it always comes with this inside of this bag. I'm not really sure what the point of that is, to put a bag in a box when you could just use box, but that's the thing. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is a favorite. It's the Real Techniques, the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I've seen a lot of positive reviews from this. I just don't care for it. So I'll show you what the wand looks like. I do, however, like that it has those spikies on the end so you can get your really little lashes like in the corner of your eye, or use it for your bottom lashes. It's not very volumizing. I think that's why I don't care for it. But, I mean, it's a mascara sample. Oops. Okay, and then next we have from, I can never pronounce this one, Shishido? Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector. Just a little sample of it, of course. And if I forgot to tell you, Sephora Play was a $10 a month subscription, and it's sample sizes. So this says anti-aging UV care. Let's open it. Yes, it's broad spectrum SPF 40. So just a sunscreen. It's in this tiny little bottle. Open it up, see if it smells like sunscreen. It kind of smells like alcohol, honestly. Like rubbing alcohol. Anything in it? Oh, it's just super liquidy. Okay. So let's just see what it looks like and how it feels. Yeah, like I said, it's super liquidy for a sunscreen. Let's see if it's good. It's kind of got that greasy texture, but it's not too bad. I think this would be fine on the face. Okay. Next, we have something. It is from Kat Von D, Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. I wonder if this is just like something they're trying to get rid of, because I know it is no longer Kat Von D's makeup company. She sold it, and now it's KVD Vegan and Cruelty-Free Makeup. It's something along those lines. But just some lipstick samples. Show you the colors a little better. And it's Outlaw, Lolita, and Vampira. Or Vampira. Vampira's probably it. Should we do swatches? I don't really want to do swatches because if I open it, then I can't, close it. It would just be to the air, and I don't want to go bad before I can try it. So I'm not going to swatch those. Next in here we have, another lip product, but that's okay. The Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydro Smoothing Lipstick. show you the packaging. And it says full of lip smoothing color, free of dryness. And it's in the shade Honesty. So it's just a little cute little lipstick. But the thing is, when you get lipstick samples, it seems like you really do get quite a bit of product. So I'm not upset about this at all. I really like the shade, and you do get, you know, a lot for a sample. So there it is swatched. It's pretty creamy. I think that would be nice on the lips. Okay. Next in here we have something from Origins. It is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So it's a lotion. I really kind of like the bottle. It's really cute. Show it to you. And sorry if my fingers are dirty. I just did some swatches and I forgot to bring something wet to wash my hands with. Yeah, I don't really like the smell. So let's, oh, I just poured it everywhere. That is not a lotion. It's liquid. Oh goodness. Well, I guess I'll put it on. It's all over my leg and my floor. Yeah, it does not smell that great. But maybe it works amazing. And maybe you could just, you know, put it on after the shower first and then put on a good smelling lotion. Okay. Next and last we have this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. And here's what it looks like. And almost always from Sephora Play you get these little false bottoms. So you don't get too much, but just a regular eye cream. It smells okay. I probably can't smell it because I got all that nasty lotion on me now. It feels really smooth. It soaks in pretty good. So that's it. Okay, so if we can just do a little recap. So we got this face sunscreen. We got the little lipstick samples from Kat Von D Beauty or KVD. I don't know if they're gonna like sell the same stuff or what, because I haven't been to Sephora because, you know, what's going on in the world. We're all stuck at home. Anyway, so we got this soothing lotion treatment. That does not smell good. And then we got the Bare Minerals lipstick in Honesty. And what else do we get? And then of course we got the Belief eye cream. So not too bad. Oh, and the They're Real mascara. So I didn't think this was too bad of a box. I mean, other than, you know, already what I've said, the lotion not smelling right or being liquidy. So I guess this is it for Sephora Play by Sephora. And I'm excited to see what they're going to do next instead of this. But let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. Did you have a favorite product? Something you would like to try? Just let me know. Or just, you know, tell me how your day's going. I would love to chat with you guys. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And, you know, like this video. Leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.